A good reader is a good speaker. Let's enhance reading skills in children through story reading. Thanks for your like. Subscribe to stay connected. One day, a yucky pig was drenching himself in a lake. A thirsty lion came to drink the water. But due to bad order, he went away. The crazy pig thought that the lion is afraid of pig, and challenged him for a fight. "Maybe tomorrow," replied the lion, and turned away from the stinky pig. The pig went back to his home and told everything to his parents. "What have you done to yourself, stupid pig? It's not you but your foul odor that made the lion run away," explained his father. The yucky pig's excitement broke into pieces straight away. His father suggested that he should deliberately roll in the dirty water so that he might stink more and more, and then meet the lion. The pig agreed and listened to his father. As soon as the lion approached the pig, the foul odor spread all around, and the lion could not near it and he ran away. Since then, pigs always keep themselves dirty, so that no animal might come near them.